Hello. Today we come to you to explain the fundamental foundation framework of a network. The OSI model, or Open System Interconnection Model, defines a networking framework for implementing protocols into 7 distinct layers. The application layer, which is the 7th layer, supports applications and end-user processes. Everything at this layer is application-specific. In addition, this layer provides application services for file transfers, email, and other network software services. You may know these better by their acronyms. Supported software and protocols include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and DHCP. Now we're going to move on to the next layer. The 6th layer, are also referred to as the presentation layer. It's responsible for the delivery and formatting of information to the application layer for further processing and display. This layer also relieves the application layer from differences that may occur within the end user's systems by translating from applications to network format and vice versa. While I may not claim to know everything about the OSI model, I have stayed at a Holiday Inn Express, which allows a certain implied intelligence regarding this matter. I leave you now for further explanation from my esteemed colleagues.
Hi, I am here to talk to you about the session layer. The session layer holds ongoing communications between 2 computers. It also has several key functions with username lookups and logons and logoffs, which is why it uses the protocols DNS, FTP, and NFS. It is also in charge of checkpointing, which is used to make sure that the visuals and audio of the visual are synced.
Hey everybody, I'm here to talk to you about the transport layer. That's number 4, just in case you don't know. There's actually 2 protocols. You have connection-oriented and you have user datagram protocol, UDP and TCP. Now, both protocols work with segments. Now, they both provide a means to identify the source and destination applications involved in a communication. Now, they also both protect data in a segment with checksum. On to the next one.
Layer 3, the network layer. It handles logical addressing and it translates logical addresses into physical addresses. Access control is handled at this layer during the routing process. The software at this layer includes IP, ARP, and ICMP. The router operates at this layer. Layer 2, the data link layer. It works with frames and is the intermediary between the network layer and the physical layer. It defines how computers access the network medium. The MAC address is defined at this layer. The NIC driver is the software operating at this layer. The hardware for this layer includes the NICs and the switches.
Alright, last but not least, we've got the physical layer. The physical layer converts bits into signals for outgoing messages and converts signals into bits for incoming messages. Details for creating a physical network connections are specified at this layer. Encoding, represented by binary physical signals, happens at this layer. Components at this layer include all the cables and connectors used in the medium, repeaters, and hubs.
And this concludes our presentation of the OSI model.
That is all.
Mrs. Bach, we want an A, so give us one. We're awesome. And you're awesome. So we should be awesome together with an A. How's that sound? Have a great freaking day. Okay.